Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Lexus tire pressure light. Park your car safely on level ground and confirm tire pressures match the placard values. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and locate the TPMS reset button or access the tire settings in the infotainment system. Press and hold the reset until the TPMS indicator blinks, then drive at moderate speed to complete sensor recalibration. Begin by checking each tire with a reliable gauge to match the recommended cold sigh on the driver door placard. Inflate or deflate each tire slowly and recheck to ensure exact pressures, and note any tire with visible damage. If you find a puncture, torn sidewall, or a faulty valve, replace or repair that tire first. Only proceed to reset the TPMS once all tires are properly inflated and in good condition. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your cabin smelling fresh and sharp after a tire service. I find that a pleasant scent makes road work less annoying, and it pairs nicely with a freshly inflated set of tires. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With tires properly inflated, switch the ignition to the on position without starting the engine and locate the TPMS reset control. Press and hold the reset button until the TPMS indicator flashes slowly, indicating the system is in relearn mode. After releasing the button, drive at a steady speed between 30 and 50 mph for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow sensors to recalibrate. The light should extinguish after the relearn completes and sensor data updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.